Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Raspberry Pi 4. First, ensure your Raspberry Pi 4 has at least 4 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Next, install a lightweight operating system, such as Raspberry Pi OS Lite, to maximize available resources. Always use a stable power supply and a reliable internet connection during the setup process to avoid interruptions. These initial steps are crucial for a successful Minecraft experience. To get started, download the official Minecraft Java Edition launcher directly from the Minecraft website. It's important to use a Java Runtime Environment, or JRE, that is specifically optimized for ARM processors, as this will significantly improve performance. Within the Minecraft launcher settings, remember to allocate sufficient RAM to the game. Typically, 2 to 3 GB works well for a 4 GB Pi. To truly optimize your gameplay, consider installing performance mods like Optifine or Sodium. These can dramatically boost your frame rates. Within Minecraft's video settings, reduce your render distance to 8 chunks or less and turn off unnecessary visual effects. Always close any background applications running on your Raspberry Pi to free up valuable system resources, ensuring Minecraft gets maximum processing power. If you encounter issues, regularly update your Raspberry Pi OS and Java installation to benefit from the latest bug fixes and performance enhancements. Also, keep an eye on your CPU temperature. A fan or heatsink can prevent thermal throttling and maintain consistent performance during long play sessions. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.